We up in Boston House Pizza. Felipe is a big baller now.
Yep.
And
Everett.
he treated us to dinner.
He just fucked that lineup, so we're gonna have to retake.
Alright, retake.
No.
No. Alright. We just got done eating at this Boston place. That's totally good. Right, Ruben? This place is good, huh?
It is good. Hey, if you're in Visalia, you should come here to Boston's House of Pizza.
What he said.
The lights are up, bro.
You're a fucking donkey. Oh my god. Oh fuck my abs.
Your ribs.
Oh, shut the fuck up.
My room watching the basketball game on my Xbox with Ruben. About to head out soon on another adventure. But yeah, we got the Spurs losing.
Spurs are gonna win though.
He saw the future. He said they're gonna go double overtime, and
Tony Parker's gonna make a 3 to win it by 1.
that's what he said. So we'll see. We on MTV Cribs.
Oh shit! I'm being a star, son. First continental race.
Hey, it felt like something grabbed me. What are you doing?
I'm trying to fix some shit, Brody.
Is this your computer?
Yep.
We're getting the recording stuff set up for Ruben
Hey.
stuff.
Check these out. These are Beats. Beats
By
by
Skull Candy?
Durable.
What is this? A MacBook?
Oh, drop my laptop like that.
Goddamn motherfucker! I can't put shit in. It's your fault.
Everything's your fault. We're in the studio
Maverick.
Is gay.
all the time.
He's trying to be a rapper, but he sucks.
Alright. So we're working on this track.
Hey, his line is like no rapping. It's just 3 complete sentences. And he's gonna fuck shit up, like bad, not the good kind either.
We're gonna have a bloopers after this. Not the good kind.
We'll work on this track for Ruben. It's his track. It's called Celebration.
Hey, and he knocked the computer down.
I know, man. He is so gay. Hey, stop messing with that, you
I know,
fuckface.
he had it perfect. Leave it. Leave it.
Okay.
Man.
All right, peace out.
All right, move it.
All right. Ready?
Okay.
Now say it. Maverick here.
Maverick here.
Class of 2013. Where you at?
Class of 2013.
Oh my fucking gosh! Dude, give me that.
No,
Get
no,
away.
come on.
I want 2013. I don't want 2013.
Okay, sorry, I can't say the words.
Fly cap by the wind.
DJ, scratch and sniff, spin that track.
Alright, here we go. We're gonna get started. Finally.
You can buy me lunch.
Finally.
Finally.
Alright, here we go. Alright, so we're doing some
me a
practice takes.
Go give me a pen, here, and I'll write it for you.
And we're trying to get Maverick. Supposedly the great, but I don't think so.
He's the great at sucking nuts,
But
and he's kind of gay,
not
and
kind
he
of
bites it.
He just told you fuck you, see?
See, he's hitting on me,
Yep.
and that shit don't roll with me.
Hey, well, the only thing we need is
For you to stop sucking?
We will have blooper reels. We will.
But we don't need blooper reels.
You are the blooper, dude.
I know.
That's what your mom said when you came out. Huh? That was a blooper.
Oh, you sure it wasn't you?
I don't look Mexican.
Okay. Yeah, okay. That's not what your mom said last night. Oh.
We're having some technical difficulties. We thought we put the track
Yeah, I was gonna say.
on his laptop. Shut up when I'm talking.
Silence!
But we got Ruben back at work, putting the track on his phone.
And my fucking
We just got done hitting the bowl. Now we're on Mooney. Looney on Mooney. What? Coming out.
Yeah.
We're heading to Chili's. You guys, we just got done eating Chili's. I'm about to head back to the car. And I'm full as fuck. I had a bacon burger and it was fat.
Hey, this pimp daddy at Ruben, fucking mind's blown like a motherfucker.